Well, I've just noticed a strong uptick in calls about the specific topics that we did the podcast about. Yeah, I can't believe the low cost, frankly, of legal podcast network. I think it's incredibly affordable for what you get. Strategic value is easy. I'm confident that I have gotten a case or more from the from the podcast. So, but the strategic value. Let me start over. So I have a lot to say here. First, I charge a flat fee for consultations for people. I know I've gotten consultations from the podcast. People say, I've looked at it, and the flat fee that I charge is about equal to the cost of a month of, I think I get two podcasts in the month. So that's, I'm certainly net positive in terms of dollars. And I may have gotten, a large contingency fee case as well. I don't know the answer. But I also know that I frequently now, I used to have to say again and again in the consultations the same stuff that's now on my YouTube channel. So instead of having to go through a whole description of sort of the same things, I can say, go look at my YouTube for this part, and that's super useful. It saves me 10 minutes every time I do it. Well, I'm happy to, yeah, happy to say it again. That it's been inexpensive, first off. Second off, is a place I can send clients to go look at things that I would and learn things that I would otherwise have to teach them repeatedly, right? If I do, 2 or 3 consultations a week about employment issues, and I need to talk to them about how to talk to the doctor about a medical leave, now I don't have to repeat myself. I can just say, I have some information on my YouTube channel. Please go look at that. And that's super helpful. And, 1 or 2 of those consultations, if they came through the podcast network's efforts, are paying for the podcast network's cost. And so if I get one contingency fee case on top of that, we've done great. That's a good question. I don't know the answer. People don't say, I looked at your podcast. I mean, there's some important stuff I have to say, but I don't try to be a thought leader. I just try to help people. People have told me they've watched it, and that's a favorable feedback, right? Nobody says, I watched your podcast and it was crappy, right? They only bring it up if it was good. So when clients say, I saw your podcast, I liked it, um, that's that's what I've got. And it certainly is pleasing, right? It makes me feel effective. And that's important. Super easy. Super easy. They were great. I mean, they told me what equipment to buy. They, gave me Amazon links to buy it. We did a test before the podcast. I mean, all I had to do was sign up on Zoom, so to speak. Just show up. Yeah, the LPM production team was fantastic. I mean, they made it very easy to do the whole project. Legal Podcast Network made this super easy. Um, they gave me links to buy the not expensive equipment. They, followed up and scheduled with me. I mean, basically, all I had to do was show up and be myself on camera, which was great. Very easy. I would highly recommend LPN to other attorneys. They are great. They've been friendly. They've been effective. They've carried the burden of it, and the cost is low. It's been great.